You're from Ireland. My name is
Ireland.
yeah, my name is Mohammed, and it's pronounced Mohammed in Arabic, and I am from Iraq.
You're from Iraq. Okay, amazing. And you look very formal and ready for our I don't think I've ever had somebody show up to one of my classes in a three-piece suit.
Well, I'm talking to a lovely person. I have to look formal.
And do you wear like a three-piece suit every day?
Yes, because I am an English teacher and I need to look formal in front of my students, so that's why I wear like formal clothes.
Ah, amazing. Amazing, amazing.
Yes.
So you teach English online or in person, or who do you teach to?
No, I teach English in person. I don't like online teaching.
Oh, really? But you take
Yes.
online lessons.
No, I mean, I'm able to take all of my lectures in person, so that's why I don't like to give online lectures because they are uh, not really efficient like in person, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why I like to take, but if I had to, I would take online courses.
Okay. And who do you teach English to? Is it adults or children?
I teach adults mostly. How about you? What kind of students do you teach?
Well, I teach mostly on here on Camberley, and my students on Camberley are I miss are from a range of places. And I also teach here in person in my city, but mostly children. So I have a class in a school that I teach like young children, and then I also have private lessons, but they are with like
That's a lot.
yeah, it's a lot. It's the private lessons are with younger children, like toddlers. But
Huh.
yeah, it is a lot.
It's really
Well,
difficult to teach toddlers.
I mean, it's very, very, very little actual teaching happening, especially when there's more than one child there. Yeah, sometimes when it's just one on one, it's easier, but more and more, I see that my students are understanding me, comprehending me. And if I was to ask them something in English, they would answer me in Spanish, but at least they understand what the question
Good.
is, there. And
So,
then I'm also a yoga teacher on top of all of this also.
yoga teacher.
Yeah.
I don't understand yoga. I mean, I don't get it. I see lots of people are doing yoga
Hmm.
moves, and I don't seems to get it. Like meditation stuff,
Hmm.
everything. I
Yeah.
mean, like, yes, I mean, I don't get it. How can you be relaxed while sitting on a carpet and doing those yoga moves?
Sure. Well, first of all, when and how do you find relaxation?
I relax when there is like a quiet place where I
Hmm.
get to think and have some
Hmm.
tea. That's where I
Mm.
relax.
Okay, so yoga is very similar, minus the tea and less thinking. We try not to think so much in yoga. Um, which
Huh.
which is not saying that like we are void of thought. Like, you might introduce a thought at the beginning of the class, and then you are trying to, continue with this thought throughout the class.
I've read a book about hypnosis. I mean, is that similar to hypnosis? Because what you're saying is like similar to self or auto hypnosis, where you can get to the trance stage.
Yeah, I suppose it would all be kind of related and similar in terms of hypnosis. Generally would be done by another person onto you.
So what about the result? I mean, the
Yeah.
main purpose of yoga, is it spiritual or physical?
Well, that's a very ongoing debate. The yogis of the past and in ancient Egypt, India, would 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 probably say that it is a spiritual practice.
The effect, is it from the subconscious effect or it's the actual effect? I'm talking about the uh, physical level.
Yeah, so it would be both.
I didn't know that
Physical.
yoga was that complicated. Was that complicated? I thought it was like just simple movements we do to relax our minds and bodies.
Yeah, yeah, no, no, no. It's really complicated. It's really complex.
But it was amazing talking to you today.
Yes, you too. You too. Thank you so much. I feel so ready and for my day now that we're all suited. I feel like I should put on my three-piece suit. It was lovely
Okay,
talking to you. Have a great day.
have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye.